We are Pearadox Robotics Team, a nonprofit organization situated in Pearland, Texas. We compete in FIRST robotics competitions which strive to teach and inspire students to pursue STEM-related fields. Each year, FIRST releases a new game with new rules and new objectives, and we make a robot accordingly. To show our Pearland pride, we decided to brand our team after pears. Our team is composed of students from all 3 high schools within Pearland ISD: Dawson High School, Turner High School, and Pearland High School. Our robotics facility is at Turner High School, where we build 200-pound robots, confidence, and provide students with the resources needed to thrive in STEM: science, technology, engineering, and math.
Along with building robots for competition season, we teach valuable skills needed for the future such as creativity, leadership, public speaking skills, and teamwork. In addition, we also provide an introduction to engineering, business, and art, with hands-on experience and guidance from professionals in their respective fields. However, we are more than just a robotics team, having won awards for our business, marketing, and community outreach. In regards to community outreach, Pearadox participates in the Pearland Christmas Parade and mentors our feeder teams in our school district to start building enthusiasm and skills early on. You may have seen us at Junior High West or Rogers Middle School.
In 2018, our team created a Gearbox Girls initiative, where we encourage and support girls in STEM. We have managed to reach over 7,000 girls across the globe, and for the past 5 years, we've been organizing girls' get-together networking events, also known as GGT, at various robotics competitions, where we invite female engineers and girls from other robotics teams to talk about their experiences as women in STEM. In addition to GGT, through Princesses with Power Tools, we reach out and teach Girl Scout troops about STEM. Our program reassures young girls that being feminine and being in STEM are not polar opposite concepts.
In 2020, our team also created the Brilliant Black Builders Initiative to support minorities in STEM and encourage diversity in teams. We have hosted outreach events by organizing virtual and in-person seminars with Black STEM professionals. Additionally, in 2022, we hosted 2 conferences at the Robotics World Championship. These events connected over 300 robotics students from all around the world with 40+ Black and female STEM professionals. By providing representation and networking opportunities, these events help underrepresented school students feel more welcome and comfortable in STEM. You may have seen our students interning at NASA or attending MIT, Berkeley, and Rice, using technical skills such as machining and design, but also learning skills such as collaboration and service, having prepared our team members and alumni for a lifelong journey of education and innovation. We're making robotics and STEM an accessible option to everyone, and with your support, we can continue our mission. If you donate a minimum of $1,000 to our nonprofit organization, we will proudly display your company's logo on our t-shirts, not to mention our website and social media, and much, much more. More information is available at our website under the donation tab. Remember, you aren't just helping us build a robot, you're helping us build the future.